Central Elementary School. Simple lang ang handom sa mga bata na imbaras noon. Ang makatuon, kag ang makatulog-dalagan, kaupod sa ilang mga abya. Pero sa sininga Pasko, may bago sila na ginakalangkagan. Ang ila pagpasakop sa kapuso sa Pasko Caroling Competition.
Exposure lang naman ang plan namin and then experience for the children. But fortunately, we've been chosen as one of the finalists. First time naman, we're still observing and trial and error. Learn from our mistakes and do our best to improve our big part.
Kag sa isa ka bago lang natukod nga grupo, bugal sang bilog nga Igbaras Central Elementary School nga mapabahin sila sa Grand Finals sining Caroling Competition.
To the pupils of Central School, we participate in the final presentation. We'd like to encourage our pupils to exert effort to come up with a presentation as expected by the community and teachers in Central School.
This is another milestone in the district of Igbaras where we were given an opportunity by the GMA to participate in this very laudable program wherein pupils are given the opportunity to expose the talents. And in behalf of the district of Igbaras, I would like to encourage all the school heads, not only in Central School, but also in other schools in district to participate. Maybe next year, if we have time, and I still hope that Igbaras Central Elementary School will continue to participate every year.
Sila na bala ang manging kampyon sa Kapuso sa Pasko Caroling Competition sa sininga tuig. Mga kapuso, pamatian ta na ang choral group sa Igbaras Central Elementary School.